Hey y'all, just want to preface this video and getting a amazing comment from Tech9. If you know Tech9 from Tech9 Technologies, that's a man to be reckoned with, both on knowledge and builds. But he did comment on one of my videos, and that was amazing. I always still think when I video these videos that it's just for my father and I talking back and forth, and yeah, I made him public. But yeah, mostly when I did this channel was for my father to hear all the stuff and see what I was doing here, as he always asked me, yeah, I can't understand that. And we came up with this solution for me to go over different stuff. And of course I got pulled into CB radio quite a bit, but I do want to say I'm going to go ahead and do what Tech9 said. Respect, okay? I'm going to do respect until it's not deserved. But yeah, I'm not going to bash anybody or ham bands versus CB radio or anything like that. That man's knowledge shine through, and amazing that he actually took the time to watch any of my videos. So the man's a legend. He is an absolute legend. And yeah, he's on YouTube. He used to have a ton of building videos, and I didn't get to catch it the first time around. And everything that I've heard, that you could learn pretty much anything you needed to with a good teacher. So I want to say thank you to Tech9, and go ahead and roll the video. Hey, what's going on, y'all? Well, welcome to the bench. I hope you're all having a good day on your benches as well. This one here is new for me, and yeah, I'm just trying to get this radio all set up, and wouldn't you know it, someone decided to solder the leads to the PC board, and not very well. Like some hot slop put onto the gun and then dropped into here. I don't know why you would need to do this, because these are, you know, they meet at the common denominator, the circuit board, where it comes from. It just pinches those together. So I don't know if someone who's doing that is like a road warrior, kind of like, you know, it'll be road tough or something. This won't come out. You just pinch those two together. These here, needle nose pliers, will pinch them together and keep it in place. I've never heard of that falling out. Just pinch it together. And now, since I modify, I gotta take this off, this modification crap. I don't know why, and now that kind of me figure out if someone's solder happy inside this one. But yeah, I don't know. Does that give you more power? No idea why anyone would think that that one needs more connection and then left them all the other ones just not soldered and those pinched together. So maybe that one broke. But there's better ways to do that. Man, I hope you're all having a great day on the bench. And yeah, this is what I get to walk into. I know everybody else works on used radios kind of wince when they open those radios up. That's what I do anyway. It is yeah, it's interesting, man. It's interesting. I've never seen radios set up this way in any other band. I've never seen some of this stuff. Never seen it. But yeah, this is one of those little, I don't know what's, but I hope y'all having a great day on the bench. I hope to get something up by Sunday. Maybe some on this, maybe not. But yeah, some days you just open up case covers, scratch your head, try and figure out what the other guy did, and try and repair it. So, yeah, it's one of these interesting situations. Wanted to give a follow-up after I took this off. So there is our 3 connections. And you see that one is very loose. So, yeah, you would just pinch that together. Don't know why you'd want to solder it on